At the preview conference, first and foremost, the opening prayer to be led by our Vice Chairman, Engineer Manuel Tabinga. Good morning to all the prospective bidders and suppliers present at the back room and viewers watching the preview conference, live streaming at YouTube video and social media platform. The Bids and Awards Committee back meeting for today, April 11, 2025, is now called to order for goods and infrastructure. May we request our head back secretariat, Engineer Apparatus, to please read the rules of attendance and the agenda of back meeting.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Our attendance for today's meeting for the pre-bid conference of contract ID number 25 EF0095 for INFRA and 25 GF for EF0022 for goods. Today, April 11, 2025. As I call your name, please acknowledge Sir Romel Padamillas, back member.
Present.
Ma'am Maria Picayaw, back member.
Present.
Sir Idelwin Gapan, back member.
Present.
Sir Manuel Tabinga, back chairman, back vice chairman. Sir Yuen Arpaton, back chairman.
Present.
5 members are present, including the chairman, and therefore there is quorum. Likewise present, back secretariat, George Tule and Abilan Tutupas. Our agenda of pre-bid conference for the 25 EF0095 construction of multipurpose building in Barangay Calategas, Narra, Palawan. Number 1, brief presentation, explanation by back of the following. Letter A, basic contracting data, including contract description, ABC, and duration. And letter B, requirements of bidding documents, including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. And letter C, documents to be submitted by the bidders. Under that letter C, we have number 1, technical component envelope. Under that number 1, we have letter A, plus A documents, and letter A, legal documents. Letter B, technical documents. C, financial documents. And letter D, plus B documents. Under that letter C, we have number 2, financial component envelope. And then under that financial component envelope, we have letter A, financial bid form, bid prices in the BOQ, detailed estimate. B, cash flow by quarter. And letter D, we have criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. And number 2, questions, comments from bidders and replies of BAC and other representatives of procuring entity. Number 3, summary proceedings, including supplemental bid bulletins to be issued issued. And number 4, other matters. For agenda number 2, before the supply and delivery of laboratory apparatus and accessories for quality assurance section. Number 1, we have basic contract data. Number 2, requirements of bidding documents. Number 3, documents to be submitted by the bidders, including technical and financial proposals. And number 4, criteria and procedure for the preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. And number 5, questions, comments from bidders, and replies of BAM and other representatives of procuring entity. And number 6, summary proceedings, including bid bulletins and addenda to be issued. Number 7, other matters. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Portales. May we request our Chief Administrative Section, Engineer Gapa, to please discuss the invitation to bid for goods.
Okay, good morning. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. Here's the invitation to bid for goods. The Palawan Second District Engineering Office now invites bids for supply and delivery of goods. Bidders should have completed within 30 calendar days from the date of submission and receipt of bids, contracts similar to the project. The description of the eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2, instruction to bidders. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected at bid opening. The contract ID for goods is 25 GEX 0722. Contract name, supply and delivery of laboratory apparatus and accessories for quality assurance section. Contract location, DPWH Palawan Second District Engineering Office, Narra, Palawan. Approved budget for the contract, 1,655,600 pesos only. Brief description, laboratory apparatus and accessories. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. To the delivery date or contract duration is 30 calendar days. Interested bidders may obtain further information from DPWH Palawan Second District Engineering Office, inspect the bidding documents at Procurement Unit Office, Back Building, DPWH Palawan Second DEO, Narra, Palawan, from April 4 to 23, 2025. From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and April 24, 2025 until 10 a.m. Upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by DPTV. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, PhilGEPS, in the website of the procuring entity, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of bids on April 24, 2025 at 10 a.m. Bid proposal must be submitted to an authorized representative for sole proprietorship company, original authorized special power of attorney, which is contract specific, and presentation of 2 valid identification issued by government institution. For corporation company, original notarized secretary certificate and or board resolution, which is contract specific, and presentation of 2 valid identification issued by the government institution. Bid opening shall be on April 24, 2025, 10 a.m. at DPWH Building, 2nd floor, back room, Narra, Palawan, DPWH compound, Narra, Palawan. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend the activity. Late bids shall not be accepted. The DPWH Palawan Second District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids if they are failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award, in accordance with Section 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of RA 9184, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. For further information, you may contact our back person, Manuel Caton, or our back secretariat head, Arnold Gonzalez, through email at back_dpwhnara@yahoo.com. Or you may visit the following website for downloading of bidding documents. Number 1, DPWH website, www.dpwh.gov.ph. And the second one is the PhD's website, www.phds.gov.ph. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Chief Admin Gapat, for the information. May we request Madam Engineer Maria Pecaya to please discuss the invitation to bid for infrastructure.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The Department of Public Works and Highways, Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, through the GAA of FY 2025, intends to apply the following sums, being the approved budget for the contract, ABC payments under the contract for project. Contract ID 25EF 095, the bid 1. Contract name, construction of multipurpose building in Barangay Calategas. Contract location, Narra, Palawan. Brief description, construction of 10 meters by 20 meters, 2-story building with 3 meters by 5 meters and sports multipurpose hall. 2 offices, records room, stock room, toilets, 2 quarters, 3 chambers, both furnitures and CCTV system. The approved budget for the contract is 9,900,000. Source of funds is the Apparatus 2025. Contract duration 150 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents is 10,000. Pickup license for size things is 14. The prospective bidder should be registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PICAP with pickup license category for this license classifications as stated. Bidders should have completed similar contract to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in section 2, instruction to bidders. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application, while those already enrolled should keep their records current and updated. Contractors' eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractor Profile Eligibility Process or CPEP and subject to further cost qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the DPWH Procurement Service during working days from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding shall be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-fail criterion stated in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations of Republic Act RA 9184. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders will obtain further information from the Department of Public Works and Highways, Palawan 2nd District Engineering Office, and inspect the bidding documents at the back Palawan 2nd DEO building. Complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from April 4 to 23, 2025, from 8 to 5 p.m. or April 24, 2025 until 10 a.m. only. Upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the DPWH in the amount as needed. For issuance of the or downloading of bidding documents, the be downloadable from DPWH's website, www.dpwh.gov.ph, or PhilJEP's website, www.philjeps.gov.ph. Hard copies of procurement at procurement office or back building DPWH Palawan Second DEO, Narra, Palawan. The receipt of the back office is until 10 a.m. of April 24, 2025 at the DPWH second floor back room, Narra, Palawan, which is the opening of which until 10 a.m. It may be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PHEPS and the website of the procurement entity, provided that bidders shall pay applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should always select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the documents. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat through at the bid office address as indicated for manual submission or at electronic bids allowance second. Palawan 2 at DPWH.gov.ph for electronic submission. All bids must be accompanied by the bid security in any of the applicable forms in the amount stated in the IPB Clause 16. Bid opening shall be at the schedule which is on April 24, 2025 at 10 a.m. At the DPWH Palawan second floor back room, Narra, Palawan. This will be open in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend the activity. Late bids shall not be accepted. The Department of Public Works and Highways Palawan second District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all bids declare a failure bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with sections 5.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulation of RA 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. For further information, please refer to the back person, Engineer Eugenio R. Haton, and the back secretariat head, Arnold C. Portales. We will add back_DPWH@yahoo.com. You may also visit the following websites for downloading bidding documents: DPWH's website, www.dpwh.gov.ph, or PhilJEP's website, www.philjeps.gov.ph. So unlike bid submission electronics, Palawan 2 at dpwh.gov.ph. That's all, Mr. Chairman, for the presentation today.
Thank you, Engineer Kyle, for the information. Engineer Portales, do we have supplemental bid bulletins issued under goods and infrastructure?
As of this day, Chairman, wala po.
Noted. This ends our PP conference. The BAT meeting is now adjourned.